In today's video, we are going to see how we can download and install VLC Media Player on your machine. So VLC Media Player is a software which is used for running the video files. Okay, so you need to open any browser. So open a browser, then go to Google Chrome and then search for download VLC Media Player, or else copy this URL directly to your address bar like this. Okay, then you need to click on this download VLC. This will start the download of VLC Media Player. Okay, and once it is downloaded, you will see like this. Okay, so right click on it. What you need to do, you need to right click on it and run the setup. So right click, run the setup, say yes, and then here next. Here it is the location where it is getting installed, and say finish. So VLC Media Player got installed. From here now we can finish the setup, and here we can see the VLC Media Player got opened, and here the icon got added. Even if you want to check, go to any video, right click on it, and you can see these options. Thanks for watching this video.